Winning the News Business Excellent Award in 2019 was an incredible surprise. It came along with increasing our turnover threefold from the previous year and reaching 2.5 million customers who'd had instant prices to book an MOT, service or repair through BookMyGarage.com. When the team found out, they were both proud and excited, and so Douglas and I decided we wanted to reward them for all their hard work.
I informed the team that we'd be taking them out for an Italian meal to celebrate. Everyone thought this sounded nice, but nothing too extravagant, until I decided to mention the meal would be taking place in Italy. The staff's reaction was a real picture, similar to how I imagine mine and Karen's reaction was to winning the Business Excellent Award.
We took the trip to the old port town of Desenzano on Lake Garda. It resulted in 46 flights, 2 nights in a hotel with all rooms looking over the lake directly, 3 meals, each with 4 courses, 60 bottles of wine, 6 bottles of limoncello, 20 hangovers each day, and 1 assisted transit through the airport. It was a great way to celebrate and brought the Book My Garage family closer together. It was also a great setting to present the plans of how Book My Garage is moving forward for even higher growth in 2020. And plans are already underway for beating our growth record again and celebrating next year in Lake Como.
The Excellent Award gave us an opportunity to be set apart by using the award logo on all our letter headings and our emails, as well as enabling us to get good trade PR. It gave us credibility to our new customers looking to use our business. We really think Portsmouth is a great city to work in and be part of. Receiving the award allowed us to reward the team who made this possible, but has also helped us to achieve yet another record 12 months of growth.
I'd like to thank you all for your efforts in winning where we are today.